Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the latest insights on gadgets and gizmos. Today, we've got our hands on the Hisense 50A6KTUK, a 50-inch 4K HDR TV that promises big features at a small price. Let's dive right in. Alright folks, let's talk about what makes the Hisense 50A6KTUK stand out. Firstly, its price tag is incredibly attractive for a 50-inch TV with 4K resolution and HDR support. But does it deliver on performance? Let's find out. Design-wise, the 50A6KTUK won't blow you away, but it doesn't scream budget either. Its frame is sleek and modern, with a slightly chunky bottom edge. While the rear panel may be a bit bulkier, it's not necessarily a drawback, as it could potentially improve picture and sound quality. Now, let's talk features. This TV packs a punch with its VA-type LCD panel and direct LED backlighting. It supports a range of HDR formats including HDR10, HLG, and Dolby Vision, promising vivid and dynamic visuals. Plus, it comes with an AI-backed processing system, aiming to optimize picture quality frame by frame. In terms of smart capabilities, the Hisense 50A6KTUK runs on the VIDAA platform, offering access to popular streaming services like Netflix, Disney+, and YouTube. While it may not be the flashiest interface, it gets the job done, especially considering the price point. Moving on to picture quality, the 50A6KTUK impresses with its brightness and vibrant colors, particularly in HDR content. However, this brightness can sometimes lead to noticeable light bleeding and less convincing black levels. Additionally, while the colors pop, they lack some subtlety and natural balance. Now, let's talk sound. The TV's 2x8W audio system delivers a surprisingly wide soundstage, especially with the theater sound mode engaged. While it lacks bass depth, it manages to avoid distortion even in bass-heavy scenes. In conclusion, the Hisense 50A6KTUK is a solid budget option with impressive features and decent performance. While it may have some flaws, particularly in picture quality, it's hard to argue with the value it offers at its price point. If you're in the market for an affordable 4K HDR TV, this one's worth considering. That's all for today's review. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more unbiased product critiques. Until next time, this is Product Critique signing off.